Midwest.
Well, it was nice to see the sun back today. How about some nice sunset pictures from this evening? This was captured by Denise Kilmer there in western Albemarle. Some nice color there with some patchy high and some mid-level clouds. And then we have a nice shot from Mark Cronin here in Earlysville. Yeah, red sky sunset. Of course, sailors' adage, red sky at night, sailors' delight. We currently don't have any weather systems inbound in the short term, but maybe by the end of the week we do. Let's take a look at these numbers currently. We've got upper 20s to low 30s here across much of central Virginia, some middle 20s in the Shenandoah Valley. Mountainous locations are down in the mid and low teens at this hour. Of course, we've had some gusty winds throughout the day, just a little bit of wind, send those wind chills into the teens and low 20s across the region. I want to show you the visible satellite from earlier today. Of course, this is the sun's reflection off the cloud, off the snow cover there. Not so much the clouds. You can see what's moving, but what's not moving. And there's our snow cover or snow footprint, if you will. Temperatures for the overnight will settle anywhere from the single digits to low teens. And again, we look at real field temperatures in the morning and overnight. You're talking about numbers in the single digits, even a few below that. So it will be a frigid start for a Wednesday. Wednesday's afternoon highs only around 30 in the valley. Temperatures here in the low and mid 30s here across central Virginia. So a solid 15 degrees or more below average in terms of daytime highs. Matter of fact, these numbers are more like average overnight lows, but we're dry for Wednesday. We're dry for Thursday. It's going to be gusty at times, frigid morning lows. And then on Friday, the daylight hours should be dry, but Friday night and into Saturday morning is the next time frame for our next potential winter storm. And while models are pointing at it, of course, the devil's in the details, but it does appear this would be more of another onset of snow for us late Friday night and into Saturday morning. The European guidance is suggesting more of a light accumulation of snowfall. The American GFS models indicating more of a moderate accumulation of snowfall. So we'll continue to monitor that. That storm will be developing a little farther to our south than the previous one. In the meantime, we have high pressure, Arctic high pressure across the upper Midwest. We have a storm that's up toward Nova Scotia, and the combination of those two features bringing in those gusty northwesterly winds. You can see some of the snow ongoing downwind of the major lakes. And then this little curly Q that you see back here across Arizona working into New Mexico, that's the next piece of energy that will help spawn a new storm somewhere near the Gulf and then head off the southeast coast Friday night and into Saturday to bring us our next potential bout of winter. And here's the Friday jet stream, and you see this little dip in the jet stream here? Well, a surface low will develop somewhere in here and then make a run off the Carolina coast during that time period. So that's what we'll be watching. In the morning, it's frigid, upper single digits to low teens. Afternoon highs are in the low and mid 30s, but it'll feel colder, teens and 20s. We'll start another frigid beginning on Thursday, but we're dry, still gusty winds at times, upper 20s and low 30s. Of course, you have to watch the refreeze every night and morning. Upper single digits and low teens here tonight. Again, a frigid start. Our cold temperatures and well below average numbers to continue. We'll watch Friday night and into Saturday morning. That potentially will be our next first alert weather period as the next winter storm pays a visit. Temperatures remaining cold past the middle of the month.
All right, Eric, thank you.